Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back. It's not currently a morning time, but whenever I wake up, it's a morning. So let's get into your today's reading and let's see what all you need to know. And let's get into it. If you want to connect with me for one-on-one sessions, a lot of you were asking me about how to connect with you and how to book a personal reading. The link for that is in the description box below. You can click on the link and you can book your session from there, or if you are not able to do that, you can just DM me on Instagram. The link for that is also in the description box below. Same username, go and search on Instagram and you will find my ID. The very first card we have is Page of Pentacles, the Temperance. You guys are definitely manifesting financial balance and harmony into your life in the upcoming time. So it's like you guys are reflecting or were reflecting inside of yourself and where you were lacking and where was your energy going and stuff. So this is affecting your finances and your money. And in the upcoming time, you guys are manifesting financial stability and self development into your life. So if you were facing financial problems, even if you were not, in the upcoming time, you are just manifesting balance and moderations into your savings and into your spendings and into your income as well. So there will be like a good balance between spending and earning, like savings and spending, right? We have the Magician and the Knight of Cups as well. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. There will be a balance between these two. Two of Pentacles also talks about balance. So Temperance, Six of Pentacles, and Two of Pentacles talks about balance in your finances. Uh, you might also attract a lot of romantic and creativity, like a creative and romantic energy in the upcoming time. This will come directly from your sacral chakra, so you might feel a lot more balanced and a lot more grounded in the upcoming time. And this is the reason why you guys are attracting the balance in your finances, balance in your emotions, and balance in your relationship with other people as well. But there is a strong energy of manifestation, so this is not coming out of the blue. This is coming because you manifested it. This is coming in your life because you wanted this and now it is finally happening into your life. It's not coming like out of the blue, out of nowhere. This is coming because of your own manifestation. Let's get some more cards. Ten of Pentacles. Some of you are supposed to be building generational wealth in this collective, and if you're already focused and working on them, in the upcoming time, your goals will reach the new heights in your career, in your finances. If you're a student and if you're just like in your education and you do study and you're not like financially independent, then this part is not for you. There are some personal goals that you will be accomplishing in the upcoming time, which I already mentioned, which will give you a sense of confidence, which will make you feel like you're the lucky one and you're supported by the divine, you're supported by the angels and angelic realms. And you might have the fear of unknown also in the upcoming time, because it's like, I want to achieve this amount of success, but I've only achieved this amount of success. But for me to achieve like all of the remaining success, I will have to work, I'll have to put in the work, but I don't know what efforts to be I don't know what efforts to put in order to like achieve the more success, because the everything that I know and everything that I've done in my life only gave me 10% of the success out of the 100%. So for me to achieve the 100% success, I don't know what I will have to do. And this fear of change and fear of unknown might come into your life in the upcoming time. So call on to the universe, call out to your spirit guides and angels for more guidance that you need, because they will be the one helping you, and they will be the one who can guide you and help you onto this path of yours towards building harmony in life. Something about harmony. Maybe you want, of course you want success, you want luxury, you want relationships, you want speed, you want excitement, but there is something so important about harmony and peace and balance in your life. So maybe you've seen everything, but you never saw moderation and balance in your life. Your life was always like this, like up and down, up and down. So you need like a moderation and a stable energy in your life for a while, for at least few days, so that you can experience how it feels to be balanced. you guys are definitely healing from something in the upcoming time as well, which will make you, like, you will experience a new sense of happiness in the upcoming time, and this will stay for a longer period of time. So it's not like the happiness is coming for like a few days, a few minutes, and then it will remove, like it will go from your life. You are experiencing some good energy and happiness into your life in the upcoming time. Yeah, we have the justice. So if you felt like some things were not in your hands, and if you felt like you were the one who always used to take the responsibility, no matter how hard you tried, no matter how many people you had in your life, you always felt the lonely one. You always felt like you had to be the one who taking all the responsibility. You had to be the one who takes all the responsibility of family, finances, and everything in life. There will be justice coming in this area of your life where you won't have to take all the responsibility, where you'll not have to take all the tension, and you will be supported and guided. At the same time, unnecessary responsibilities that you have on your shoulder will be lifted away from the divine and the universe, just because you don't deserve that. You deserve the very best, and you also deserve the support, love, and care, and you will be getting exactly that. Right? So I think this is the message that I have for you all. If you want to connect with me for one-on-one sessions, you can book that from the link in the description box below, or you can DM me your Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care.